Imagine the rising sun casting long shadows across the vast plains of Kurukshetra. The air is thick with anticipation and tension. The sounds of conch shells pierce the stillness, signaling the beginning of a war that will decide the fate of an entire dynasty. You see the assembled armies, millions of warriors standing shoulder to shoulder, their armor gleaming, their banners fluttering in the wind. The scent of earth mingles with the metallic tang of steel. The Kurukshetra war is about to begin. This is no ordinary conflict. It is a battle between right and wrong, between dharma and adharma, a struggle for justice and truth against the forces of greed and deceit. The Pandavas, exiled and humiliated, now stand ready to reclaim their birthright. Across the battlefield, the Kauravas, determined to hold on to power, prepare to fight to the death. The Kurukshetra war is not just a clash of the armies, it is a defining moment in history. It is a test of values, relationships, and destiny. Each warrior on this field carries their hopes, fears, and moral dilemmas. Every duel, every strategy, and every decision will shape the legacy of this war. The war unfolds over 18 days, with each day bringing new challenges, strategies, and losses. From the commanding brilliance of Bhishma to the fiery heroics of Arjuna and Bhima, from the calculated tactics of Drona to the divine guidance of Krishna, this war is an epic tapestry of human emotion and divine intervention. Let us understand the structure of explanation in this series. We will take you through the events of the Kurukshetra war day by day. Each part will focus on specific phase of the war. We will cover the battle formations and opening moves of each day, exploring how the Pandavas and Kauravas devised strategies to gain an edge. We will dive into the key duels and heroic moments that defined the course of the battle. Fierce clashes between legendary warriors, heart-stopping sacrifices, and acts of unmatched valor. We'll also analyze the tactical adjustments made by both sides, including the brilliant guidance offered by Krishna, and how these shifts impacted the morale and outcomes on the battlefield. This is the story of the Kurukshetra war, 19 days of valor, sacrifice, and destiny. Stay with us as we unfold each day's battle in gripping detail. Dharma shall always triumph, but at what cost? Let us begin with the day 1 of the Kurukshetra war. The first rays of the sun pierce through the morning mist, revealing the vast battlefield of Kurukshetra. The land stretched endlessly, already marked by the rumble of armies preparing for war. The air was heavy with the scent of freshly turned earth and the metallic tang of polished weapons. Horses pawed at the ground, and the occasional trumpet of elephants punctuated the growing tension. On this fateful day, the warriors of two great dynasties prepared to fight, their hearts filled with either duty or vengeance. At the heart of the Kaurava camp, Bhishma stood tall, a symbol of unyielding might. Opposing him, the Pandavas, led by Yudhishthira, readied themselves for the trials ahead. The soldiers on both sides whispered among themselves. Could the Pandavas challenge Bhishma's invincible presence? Yudhishthira, the embodiment of Dharma, dismounted his chariot and began walking toward the Kaurava lines. His brothers followed him, confused but silent, while Krishna watched knowingly. As Yudhishthira bowed to Bhishma, Drona, and the other elders, the Kaurava soldiers jeered, mistaking his respect for surrender. Yet, amidst the murmurs, Krishna's quiet confidence spoke volumes. Honor given before battle was a mark of strength, not weakness. Let us understand the battle formations and the opening moves of day 1. As the sun climbed higher, the commanders issued their final orders. The armies aligned into formations that mirrored the strategies of their leaders. Pandava's formation was Vajravyuha, a kind of diamond formation, an offensive strategy with a solid core designed to withstand assaults. Bhima and Arjuna took prominent positions, prepared to spearhead the attack, while at Kaurava's side, Bhishma countered with the Sarvatomukhi Dandavyuha, that is all directional rod formation, an intricate layout meant to encircle the enemy. Bhishma himself took the center, with Drona and Shalya protecting the critical flanks. The conch shells sounded once more, their echoes mingling with the deafening roars of soldiers. Chariots surged forward, elephants bellowed, and the dust from the charging cavalry created an airy haze. The battlefield came alive with the relentless clamor of war. Let us see the key duels and heroic moments of day 1. Arjuna versus Bhishma. As the battle began, Arjuna advanced on Bhishma. His arrows flew straight and fast, each shot precise and powerful. Bhishma, unshaken, countered with unmatched skill, his arrows striking Arjuna's chariot and quiver. Their duel was intense, a contest of strategy and endurance. Krishna, ever watchful, guided Arjuna with subtle gestures, but Bhishma's brilliance left no room for error. Bhima versus Duryodhana. Bhima stormed the battlefield, his mace swinging like a thunderbolt. Spotting Duryodhana, he charged, their clash erupting with terrifying force. Duryodhana's shield barely held against Bhima's relentless strikes. Their duel was personal, fueled by years of enmity, with neither giving an inch. And then there was Shikandi versus Bhishma. Shikandi, burdened with the prophecy that he would bring Bhishma down, targeted the Kaurava commander. Yet Bhishma refused to fight him, standing firm in his vow to avoid combat with Shikandi. Despite his best efforts, Shikandi could not dent Bhishma's impenetrable defense. Young and determined, Uttara charged at Shalya. Their duel was swift but deadly. Shalya's spear pierced Uttara's armor, striking him down. The loss of Uttara, the first significant casualty of the war, sent waves of grief through Pandava camp. Fueled by grief over his son's death, Virata confronted Bhishma. His arrows rained down with intensity, but Bhishma countered effortlessly. Virata's fury could not overcome Bhishma's calm precision, and he was forced to retreat. Abhimanyu, fearless and skilled, engaged Kritavarma, Kripa and Shalya in a relentless assault. His arrows struck with precision, bringing down Kritavarma's standard and wounding his ally. Even Bhishma noted the young warrior's brilliance. Bhima tore through the Kaurava infantry, his mace crushing chariots and elephants alike. His war cries reverberated across the battlefield, striking fear into his enemies. The destined duel between Drona and Drishtadyumna unfolded with intensity. Drona's skill and experience gave him an advantage, but Drishtadyumna fought with unwavering resolve, neither yielding ground nor claiming victory. The Rakshasa Ghatatkocha faced Alambusha, their supernatural combat bewildering the soldiers around them. Ghatatkocha's illusions clashed with Alambusha's powers, creating chaos in the Kaurava ranks. Satyaki's arrows collided with Kritavarma's, a contest of skill and speed. Their duel, though inconclusive, highlighted their expertise and left both warriors bloodied but unbroken. Now let us understand the tactical adjustments and developments. The death of Uttara shook the morale of the Pandava forces. Krishna reminded Arjuna to stay focused, emphasizing that Bhishma was the key to breaking the Kaurava formation. Bhishma's leadership ensured that the Sarvatomukhi Danda Vyuha remained impenetrable. His arrows decimated the Pandava troops, forcing them into defensive positions. Yudhishthira's decision to seek blessings from the elders before battle bolstered the morale of his brothers, even in the face of mounting losses. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the battlefield bore the scars of an intense day of fighting. The Pandavas retreated, their ranks battered and demoralized by Bhishma's overwhelming dominance. The loss of Uttara weighed heavily on the Pandavas. Krishna reassured them, emphasizing that the key to victory lay in patience and strategy. At Kaurava's camp, Bhishma's unyielding presence bolstered the Kaurava's camp's confidence. Duryodhana celebrated the first day as a victory, believing that Bhishma's strength would carry them forward. As the Pandavas prepared for the next day, one question lingered. How could they overcome Bhishma, whose skill seemed untouchable?